Hey my fellas. In this video we are gonna make a really nice tropical house remix from scratch. Every time when summertime hits, these songs are getting blasted on the beach. Even if this genre isn't that modern anymore, it's still somehow timeless when the sun is shining and you're on vacation. So let's get started. At first we need a nice female vocal. I went for the song called Issues by Julia Michaels. This vocal is in 114 BPM, which is actually a nice tempo for tropical house. But I made it even slower and set it to 105 BPM. I gave this a cappella no processing, ha ha ha. But I put a ton of reverb onto it.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous.
After that I need to figure out a chord progression that works with the a cappella. I tried some chords till I found these.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down I get real down. When I'm high I don't come down.
Nice. Then I pasted these chords into some nice pad presets from Length 1 because they have a nice atmosphere. I adjusted the DSR settings a bit though to make them perfect. Then I putted a soft bass underneath to make the low frequencies stronger. To give the track a more tropical feel I added perks that fit well to it. And I added these cymbal transition to make it complete. And this is what it's sounding like so far.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down I get real down. When I'm high I don't come down. I get angry, baby believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast.
Yeah my boys, this is going into the right direction. But now we need more energy. We achieving energy by changing up the rhythm of the chords. I took the same pad preset but adjusted these settings a bit again to make them more bouncy. I layered it with the sprinkle preset from my Progressive House Serum sound bank. But guys, to make it more bouncy I slapped a Kygo style bass underneath. At this point we also need some drums. I added a kick, reverb claps, hi-hats. Let's give this section a quick listen.
You don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too. No, you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too.
For the next part of the track we need a bit more energy and keep the tension so the listener is hooked for the drop. So I added this rides. I made a nice pluck melody that gets introduced right here, but it gets filtered till the drop hits to build some tension. I just took the Kygo pluck preset from Length 1 and the Access pluck preset from Serum. Both presets are from the Lion Progressive House sample pack my boys. They're sounding great. Now my friends, we are coming for the part everybody is waiting for, the drop. The drops in tropical house songs are pretty simple. I basically putted every element in there to give it the most energy possible. I even added some piano chords. And now my ladies and gentlemen, we already completed our tropical house remix for this video. Yeah, that's so great. Before we listening to it together, you have to check out my sample packs because they are amazing. I used every preset and sample out of the Lion Progressive House sample pack for this project, except this bass preset. It's from the Shadow Future House sample pack. Guys, on my packs you will find everything you need to create tracks like this. Amazing drum samples like kicks, hi-hats, claps and more. FX sample like rises. Atmo samples, ambiances, and you get also piano and guitar loops played by real instruments that gives your tracks more depth and natural feel. And of course, you get hundreds of great presets for Length 1, Serum and even Vital. If you think that's it, you are wrong. I even put 100 progressive house melodies into it which I made myself for you, and they are 100% royalty free to use for anything you want. So, make sure to get it. And now my fellas, let's listen to our remix and see if it's good. For some summer vibes we are watching a superficial video from Jay Alvarez together to compare our lives to it and see how miserable our lives are. Enjoy.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast. But you don't touch me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd touch you too. No, you don't touch me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd touch you too. 'Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So keep them all to me, and I'll get mine to you. Bask in the glory of our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love that takes us all. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you.
My friends, thanks for watching. I love you.